Example 4. Find the equation of a circle which passes through the points 2, 2. So this is your circle. It passes through the point 2, minus 2 and it also passes through the point 3, 4. So what is your center? H, K. You have x and y coordinates. So they are asking you to find what the equation of the circle is whose center lies on x plus y equals 2. So what is your general equation? X minus h the whole square plus y minus k the whole square equals r square. So when I substitute for 2, 2, 2, 2 lies on the circle, which means it lies in the equation also. So what do I do? For 2, minus 2, the equation becomes 2 minus h the whole square plus, what is my y? Minus 2 minus k the whole square equals, what is my r square? I do not know. So this is one of my equations. So this is equation number 1. What happens when I substitute 3, 4? My equation becomes 3 minus h the whole square plus 4 minus k the whole square equals r square. So on comparing 1 and 2, what do I see? My RHS is equal. So I am equating my LHS. So what do I have? Comparing 1 and 2, I have 2 minus h the whole square plus minus 2 minus k the whole square equals 3 minus h the whole square plus 4 minus k the whole square. So when I open the squares, what do I have? A minus b the whole square, a square plus b square minus 2ab, which is minus 4h. Plus when I open this, what do I have? A square plus b square plus 4k minus 2ab, 2 times minus 2 into k. So it becomes plus 4k equals 3 minus h the whole square is 9 plus h square minus 6h plus இது வந்து 16 plus k square minus 8k. So what do I have? H square and h square gets cancelled. K square, so k square and k square gets cancelled. I'm left with 4 plus 4, 8 minus 4h plus 4k equals, what do I have here? 9 plus 16, which is 25 minus 6h minus 8k. Right? Okay. So what does it become? I'm bringing the h and k to one side and the constants to the other side. So I have minus 4h plus 4k plus 6h plus 8k equals 25 minus 8. So what do I have? 2h plus 12k equals 17. So this is my third equation. Inner equation I have two unknowns. They have said that the center lies on this. So if the center lies on x plus y equals 2, what does my equation become? So when I substitute h instead of x and k instead of y, I have h plus k equals 2. So in the end equation, this is my equation number 4. So idhu subtract pannona, I need to multiply this whole equation by 2 to find h and k. So first equation 2h plus 12k equals 17. Second equation, when I multiply it by 2, I have 2h plus 2k equals 4. You need to multiply 2 to the entire equation. So don't forget to multiply it on both the sides. So now when I subtract, I have this goes off. 12 minus 2 is 10k equals 17 minus 4 is 13. So k equals 13 by 10, which is 1.3. So when I substitute k value to one of the equations, I can find my h. So I'll substitute it here. I have h plus 1.3 equals 2. So h equals 2 minus 1.3, which is 0.7. I know what my k and h are. I can find r using either of these two equations. So when I substitute it in this equation, what do I get? 3 minus h, which is 0.7 the whole square, plus 4 minus k, which is 4 minus 1.3 the whole square equals r square. So what do I have? 3 minus 0.7 is 2.3 the whole square plus 4 minus 1.3 is 2.7 the whole square equals r square. So when I solve this, I get r square to be 12.58. So this is my r square. Now what is my final equation of the circle? I'll erase this part of the board. So what is my final equation? So my answer would be x minus, what is my h? 0.7 the whole square plus y minus 1.3 the whole square equals 12.58. It's r square. So I'm directly substituting for r square. So this is my equation of to the circle. Is the equation of the circle.